Artificial intelligence is everywhere today. So let us look into each one of the industries that contributes or where AI started penetrating much deeper. Take the case of healthcare. Healthcare, if you see, specifically we have been working on finding specifically with the diabetic retinopathy use cases. Okay, so based on the images that we have been analyzing, thousands and thousands of images have been fed into our deep learning models to predict the stage of diabetic retinopathy. This is just an example. So it has started penetrating into each and every spectrum, and it is assisting the doctors, it is assisting the physicians to make accurate decisions. Now let us move into the industry like finance or banking, where AI has started supporting the fraud management or the detecting the fraud transactions, algorithmic trading. Now if you look into the manufacturing space, a lot of image-based AI is used in the production lines. And if you look at all other spectrums, retail, where you will see a lot of penetration of AI, specifically in the product recommendation space, inventory management space. So AI is everywhere. Now, will it take away all our jobs? I would say yes and no here, because mundane activities like if you have been a part of a kind of a data entry job, or you have been doing certain things on a day-to-day basis, which machine can learn and replace you, be ready to learn or be digitally literate and start using AI as your companion or a co-pilot to do those activities. So let's look the side of creators. Look, most of the content today can be generated using any of the platforms like Writesonics or Copy.ai, or even the ChatGPT, which is the most famous tool that's available. Images can be generated. Let's think of even today I'm standing in front of a camera. So tomorrow even these cameras might get replaced by the Midjourneys and the Dolly 2s, where all these images gets generated and system will process it. So there is a lot of change happening in the life of a creator, where they have to start integrating or co-living with AI and get that entire system into their daily life. Now if you look at the coding experts today, the software coders, without starting accepting the artificial intelligence space, it's going to be really difficult for them to live, because today who has adopted AI would be delivering a code in a matter of time, and nothing is wrote from scratch except if you are writing a AI algorithm or a latest research algorithm around it. Else, do see AI as your intern or your co-worker and start adopting that. This is going to be the case of all, like in the case of sales and marketing, specifically if you're a social media expert. So all the jobs that you see, there will be penetration of AI. And if you are not ready to accept AI as your companion, situation is going to be very difficult. The socio-economic divide in this ecosystem is going to be a huge gap. So be ready to shake your hands with the AI ecosystem.